Mustang Coupe.
Roush suspension, Roush, there you go. Little shout out for Roush. I hope I'm not pronouncing that wrong. I pronounced Steve Saline's last name wrong for like 2 years, and Steve never told me about it. I kept calling him Saline when it was Saline.
Saline's a solution.
Yeah, I know. Thank you, Ed.
Eyes.
Thank you for that, Ed. Not the He keeps doing something I don't want to put on video. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Very nice. Your baby's clean. I want to drive her. I want to put decals on her.
It does need put it away wet.
Yeah, my Mustang's gonna be white if I ever get. I will get a Mustang again. I just don't know when it's gonna happen. Nice. Now he's gonna tuck her back in. I guess I'll try an experimental high-speed video on this. Here it goes. Very nice, Ed. Very nice. Look at that. Look at the precision. Tucking in a baby. You got a little corner here that's low or high in the front right. There you go. She's all tucked in. She's all. See how much look how much she loves this car. Little scoop sticking out in the bump there. That is it. Ed is the quintessential Mustang lover. I knew I liked something about this guy. All right, back out to the showroom.
You tuck it in, you gotta kiss it goodnight.
I agree. And this is on Ed's door, so for the people that are needing a visual, there's his phone number. Oh, Aaron's running away.
What? He wants to interview you. Tell me about the street.
He's got to pee. Aaron drives this thing around. I've never seen. Eric?
Yeah.
Eric drives this thing around, and they move all their cars in this mall with this device. So I guess you put the tires up in there, right? And then you're just lifting up the car, and they're pulling it around.
It's kind of like the back of a repo tow truck, where once you get this under the wheel here, these things swing in and
oh, and grab the tire and lift it. I see.
And then it lifts it just a couple inches off the ground.
Yeah.